It is a great satisfaction to greet you on this day. I always wish you peace and prosperity. In today's video we will discuss the following. Make your ex regret the breakup. Let us begin. After a breakup, you don't want to appear defeated or belittled by this disappointment. Sometimes the only thing you can think about is making your ex regret it and realize how important you really are to him or her. There are a few different ways to make your ex regret breaking up with you. Without further ado, if your goal is to make your ex regret for ending their relationship, keep watching, because you are about to find out how to do exactly that. How do I make my ex regret the breakup? Present yourself in the best possible way. Make your ex understand that they were made for each other. Don't make him think that you can't live without him/her. Reveal the changes you have made so that she regrets ending the relationship. Here are the 5 fundamental rules to make your ex regret it. 1. Regret. Why do you want your ex to feel it? Before using any advice to make your ex want you back, it's important to understand what he or she really wants. When you work to get back together, your actions must be well thought out or you run the risk of letting your emotions take over and undo all the progress you've made. First of all, you should know that even when you decide to leave someone, it is extremely difficult to get over a breakup, especially if the feelings are still present. Also, some of you might not be familiar with some of the most effective techniques for getting an ex back, like zero contact, resurrection, seduction phases, or the handwritten letter. In addition to the classic techniques for getting your ex back, there are some other more indirect strategies that can help you achieve your goal of making your ex want to get back with you. In fact, there is a form of positive manipulation that can be used. Therefore, there is no point in contacting your ex for her to regret saying that you are better off alone. You have to be more subtle and sometimes even know how to let go of your ego. For your ex to regret it, you need to focus on her feelings for you, her sensitivity, or any doubts she may be feeling, especially if the decision to end the relationship was yours. Your main goal is to make her regret the breakup, until she ends up realizing that things weren't too bad when they were together. Keep in mind that the most difficult thing after a breakup is the feeling of loneliness. Paradoxically speaking, a breakup hits you like a train. 2. Why is it necessary for your ex to regret it? This happens simply because when she decides to break up, even if you are not completely happy, you will undoubtedly wonder if you made the right decision, and this is exactly how your ex feels today. One tip: make the most of that advantage. Your ex needs to realize that she can be happy with you. Making your ex regret the breakup is the perfect way to make him question her decisions. It is a very effective method to rekindle the flame and save your relationship after a breakup. By giving rise to a form of sadness, lack of affection, or planting a seed of doubt in her mind, you can make your ex realize how she really feels about you. This is what you are going to do to communicate with your ex, but make sure you don't do it to hurt. The goal is to get back together. 3. Moving on after the breakup. It is possible and necessary. Another solution that can help you win back your ex's heart again is not reacting to the breakup. In other words, make your ex think that you are not completely affected by the breakup, that you have no problem moving on, and that your happiness does not depend on him or her. It is not jealousy with what you are playing, it is the pride of your ex. Your attitude is likely to have a stronger effect. If you want your ex to regret leaving you, you must make him understand that he does not deserve you. By showing your ex that you are handling the breakup better than him or her, her frustration will make him want to come back. After a breakup, we often expect our ex to chase us, especially when you know that his feelings for you are still present. But if you change the way you've been acting, you will undoubtedly make your ex start thinking about you again. We give you the knowledge of great experts and people who have managed to win back your ex and who can also help you in this difficult time. Benefit from our experience and our proven strategy, click below. You deserve the opportunity for a happy future with your ex. Subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.